Hi, pupils, and welcome to the channel Tanya's Polyglot. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the future, but this time with will. If you want to know all the usage of will, please stay.
Welcome to Language Adventure with Tanya. Imagine exploring the world through its languages. Picture yourself strolling past the Eiffel Tower, diving into the rich history of Germany, or savoring the vibrant culture of Spain. Each language opens a door to new experiences, friendships, and understanding. Whether you're mastering English, dancing to Korean rhythms, or savoring French cuisine, every word you learn is a step on this exciting journey. Let's embark on this adventure together and unlock the beauty of communication across the globe.
So let's see the future with will. Main use of will. It is used to talk about the spontaneous decisions, promises, predictions, and future facts. It is one of the simplest ways to talk about what will happen in the future. Then we have here the common uses of will. For example, we can use will for spontaneous decisions. When we make a decision at the moment of speaking, then we have, for example, right? I'm hungry. I will order a pizza. Then we have promises or commitments. When we promise to do something in the future, for example, I will call you later. Then we have predictions based on what we believe or assumptions. When we talk about something we believe will happen in the future, I think it will rain tomorrow. Facts that will inevitably happen. We use will to refer to situations that we know will happen. For example, the sun will rise tomorrow. This is something that always will happen. So let's continue with more examples of the previous choices that we saw. For example, spontaneous decisions. We have here as an example, I forgot to bring my umbrella. I will buy one right now. Then we have promises or commitments. I will always support you no matter what, right? Sometimes we make these kind of promises to our loved ones, to our friends, or to our boyfriend, right? Then we have predictions based on belief or assumptions. The movie will be a huge success. Facts that will inevitably happen. Winter will come after autumn. This is something that always will happen. So now guys, let's see some structures. We will use this structure for affirmative sentences. Subject plus the auxiliary verb will plus the base form of the verb plus the complement. Remember, subject in blue, I. The auxiliary verb will in red. The base form of the verb in purple, have. And the complement in black, I'm meeting next week. Let's see more examples. We have the structure for affirmative or positive sentences. Subject plus will plus base form of the verb plus the complement. I will go to the cinema tomorrow. She will visit her grandmother next week. I will travel next year. He will come back. Then we have here the structure for the negation, like to say no, I won't, I will not, but in future. We have subject plus the auxiliary verb will plus not plus the base form of the verb and the complement. I will not buy a car next weekend. I am expressing something that I won't do. I won't win the lottery tomorrow. Why? Because I didn't buy a ticket. No, I'm just kidding. It's just an example, guys. Then we have here the negative subject plus auxiliary verb will plus not plus the base form of the verb plus the complement. Note, look at this point. Will not can be contracted to want in everyday speech. For example, I will not eat pizza. Why? Because I didn't buy it right now. I'm just kidding. They won't finish the project on time. We will not work tomorrow. She won't travel next week. Why? Because she didn't buy a ticket to fly. Now we have the structure to make questions. Remember that always in English the auxiliary verb will come from the beginning when you want to make a question. For example, here we have the auxiliary verb will, then we will add the subject, the base form of the verb, and the complement. And the result, will you call me when you arrive? But let's see more examples. So now we have here the interrogative or questions, right? Will plus subject plus base verb plus the complement. Will you come to my party on Saturday? And you could simply answer, yes, I will. Or no, I won't. Or no, I will not, right? Will she help me with my homework? No, she will not. Or no, she won't. Will you love me tomorrow and forever? That's a good one, guys, to ask to your loved ones, to your lover, to your boyfriend, or to your husband, or to your wife or girlfriend, right? Or to your crush. Will you love me tomorrow and forever? And they could answer, yes, I will, or no, I won't. I don't know how lucky you'll be with the answer if you ask this. And let's see more examples in general. They will travel to Japan next summer. I won't be able to attend the meeting tomorrow. Will he come to the concert with us? She will study for the test tomorrow. And if you thought that you saw everything about the future, mm, here is a hard part, guys. Or an easy, it depends on you. We have contractions with will. And you'll be, but how? How is that possible? And the answer is right here. I will, it transformed to I'll. I will call you later. I call you later. It's like to make the answer more short, right? And instead of say I will, you just say it I'll, and it's the same meaning. You're talking about the future. You will, you'll. You will pass the test. You'll pass the test. He or she will. He'll or she'll. She will come to the party. She'll come to the party, right? We will. We will meet at 7 p.m. We'll meet at 7 p.m. They'll. They will finish the project soon. They'll finish the project soon. So be careful with those contractions. Try to study all this information and make your own sentences to make sure and clear that you understood all this information that I gave, okay? And don't give up. Now let's see examples but with contractions. I never forget this moment. You'll enjoy the concert. He'll arrive at 8 p.m. She'll call you when she's ready. We'll visit the museum next weekend. They'll finish the project by tomorrow. So I know guys you'll be like scared, but don't worry. To make you more clear or more easy to understand the usage of will, I decided to create this character, Kendall. Please greet Kendall. And we will ask him what are his plans for next year. He will go to the gym. He'll improve his physical form. He will travel next year. He will celebrate his birthday next year. And he'll graduate next year. And he will work hard next year. If you see here, we are talking about the plans that he has for the next year that is coming, right? We have just 1 month to be in the next year. So I hope that you understood a little bit better how you will use will. So now let's make an activity time to see if you understood a little bit better how you will imply will or the contractions with will. So guys, let's make this practice. Complete the sentence with the correct form of will. I buy a new phone next month. He not come to the party tonight. You study for the exam tomorrow. We visit the museum next weekend. They be at the party later. What do you think that is the answer, guys? I don't know. Write it down below in the comments. I will read in those comments to see if you understood the usage of will. So I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting to see those answers. Write it down below in the comments. I hope that you are writing your answers down below in the comments. It was hard for you to understand or solve these problems or exercises. I hope that the answer is no, guys. And here we have the answers. I will buy a new phone next month. He will not come to the party tonight. We'll just study for the exam tomorrow. We will visit the museum next weekend. They'll be at the party later. Well done, guys. I hope that you understood the usage of will. Well done, guys. Thanks to watch my video. And don't forget to give a like and to subscribe if you want to continue learning new things daily in this YouTube channel. Thanks to watch my videos. If you have friends or classmates who wants to improve their English or wants to study this topic, don't forget to send this video. See you soon.